So if you've been offering physicians and nurse practitioners lately, you've probably had a lot of turn down offers, unfortunately, because the market's so competitive right now. It's been, kind of a tricky environment. So one way to help kind of increase your chances of a accepted offer is how you present the offer. Instead of just emailing an offer with a salary amount, benefits, all that, I recommend getting the person on the phone, getting the physician, the nurse practitioner on the phone, and explaining why you selected them specifically, what in their background, personality, skill set made you select them over other candidates, doing that verbally over the phone, and explaining why you think they're going to be a good fit for this role, why this role is so critical to the organization's health, and then lastly, what you think they can accomplish within the organization in their career there. So you're kind of looking out for their career, you're projecting. It's a major kind of motivational tool, and you could do that while you're making the offer. You can do that in the recruitment process. But rather than just emailing an offer, make it personalized, make it really kind of thoughtful, from the heart, why you're selecting them. And so it's not just another transaction, it's a kind of relationship you're building with them even during the offer.